In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Noom app not working. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification in order to not miss any videos from our channel. Now let's move on to the video. Now for the first solution, you need to completely remove the app from your device and reinstall the app. Now to do so, tap and hold the app and then tap on remove option. Now once your app gets removed from your device, head over to the Play Store and there search for Noom and tap on install button to reinstall the app. Now once your app gets reinstalled to your device, open up the app and check if this solution solves your problem or not. Now if it didn't solve your problem, then move on to the next solution. For the next solution, you have to install old version of this app. Now to do so, firstly remove the updated version of Noom app and then head over to the web browser and then search for old version of Noom app. After you download the old version of Noom app, it will definitely solve your problem. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will be back soon with similar videos.